AirTalk Wireless allows you to use your existing phone with their service through the Bring Your Own Phone program. This saves you money by reusing your device and helps reduce electronic waste. The process involves three main steps: unlocking your phone, checking the IMEI number, and activating the device. First, unlock your phone if it's carrier locked. This allows the device to work on any compatible network. Most carriers provide unlocking services, or you can use third-party options for a fee. AirTalk does not handle unlocking, so ensure this is done beforehand. Next, check your phone's IMEI number to ensure it's clean and not reported as stolen or lost. Dial 6 to find your IMEI, then verify it online using free tools. A blacklisted IMEI will prevent activation on AirTalk's network. Finally, activate your device by inserting a compatible SIM card and using AirTalk's online portal or app. Enter your account details and confirm network compatibility. This process typically takes just minutes for eligible devices. By following these steps, you can easily bring your own phone to AirTalk Wireless, enjoying their prepaid plans while keeping your favorite device. First, unlock your phone through your current carrier or a third-party service. Next, perform an IMEI check using free online tools like imei.info to ensure your phone isn't blacklisted. Finally, activate your phone via AirTalk's website or app with a compatible SIM card. Ensure your phone supports AT&T's LTE and 5G bands. Following these steps enables you to enjoy AirTalk wireless services on your own device.